Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Splice projects for export continuity, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening the Splice app on your device. Navigate to the project you want to backup. Tap on the project to open it. Locate the export settings within the project menu. Choose the export option to prepare your project for backup. Select the desired file format for the export. Ensure all necessary elements of the project are included in the export selection. Click on the export button to begin the backup process. Wait for the export to complete, which may take a moment. Once finished, save the exported file to a designated folder on your device. Consider using a cloud storage service for additional security. Upload the exported file to your preferred cloud platform. Ensure the file is properly uploaded and accessible from your cloud storage. Repeat these steps for any other projects you wish to back up. Regularly backing up your work helps maintain continuity. Check your backups periodically to ensure they are up to date. This process will help you secure your Splice projects for future access and edits. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.